After creating your groups and BeeLock, you must now create the BeeLock categories. The BeeLock categories are separate and work independently of the DBM 6000 standards categories. Although the creation of BeeLock categories is similar to those of DBM 6000, this tutorial will explain the procedure to create BeeLock categories. Right-click on the BeeLock icon and choose the Categories option. To add a BeeLock category, click the New button. This BeeLock category window and its configuration are similar to those of the DBM 6000 categories. Start by introducing the name of the category that you will create. Then, choose the weekly time zone to be used by this category. The creation or modification of a weekly time zone is similar to creating a standard weekly time zone of the DBM 6000. If you need help, please consult the DBM 6000 online help by clicking the F1 key. The displayed table shows the allowed access time zone or not. You must then select the access that will be accessible through this category. This selection can be done access, by entire group, or even entirety by clicking the corresponding checkboxes. If you want that this category can have authorized access, even prohibited periods, check this option. The office mode of BeeLock can be activated only by authorized categories. To give that activation right, check this option. Click OK to confirm your choices and create the category. You can edit a category by clicking on the Properties button, or by double-clicking on its name. Now we will create two other categories with different rights. The second category is for workers who have access to the workshop only. This category will not have the right to access the BeeLock during prohibited periods and cannot activate the office mode on BeeLock. The next category is intended for employees. The users of this category will have access to the sales office, as well as meeting rooms on the first floor. They also have the right to activate the office mode on BeeLock. 3 BeeLock categories have thus been created. As said at the beginning of this tutorial, the BeeLock categories are independent of the DBM 6000 standard categories. If you open the DBM 6000 standard categories, you will not find the BeeLock categories that we just created. By going in the Categories tab of the User Properties, you will find the DBM 6000 and BeeLock categories.